What the fuck is that?
A new monitor. Something light. I'll show you what it is, Bucko. Come here. Thought we could use a little bigger setup.
This is nice.
Hell yeah, it is. Is this nice?
What if it has its own dock? Oh shit, it does have a dock.
It came with that?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, really? Alright, let me know when it's done.
No, I ain't building this shit.
6.5 hours later.
As I said, some much needed piece. This is crazy, bro. This is like some secret layer shit, right?
Some Batman
so
shit.
We got US 30 right here, because I like to trade US 30. Right here we got US 30, because I like to trade US 30. And then up top we have US 30, because I love to trade US 30. So, honestly, if I'm being real with how I trade, this is not needed at all. I'm just being extra with it, but it is cool if you guys ever want something like this. What is this? Odyssey Arc or something like that?
Arc.
This motherfucker was $3 grand. Like I said, for me, it's not really something I use. I might like have charts here. Maybe right here I'll have like a YouTube video or some motivational shit. And then up top, big booty Latinas, something like that. And yeah, we're gonna get to trading.